A simple sweetbread recipe for a bread machine uses 1 cup of room temperature water. Make sure the kneading paddle is in place. 7 tablespoons of unsalted butter cut into small pieces. 2 room temperature eggs. 1 teaspoon of salt. 3 tablespoons of sugar. 4 cups of flour. Add the ingredients in this order, especially if you're using a timer. Make a small indentation for 2 teaspoons of yeast. If the yeast makes contact with the liquid, it will activate it. This recipe makes a 2-pound loaf. Put the bread pan into the machine. Choose the sweet bread setting. It's programmed for bread with eggs, cheese, or fruit. Choose 2-pound loaf and choose your crust setting.